Alright, quick question. Have you ever watched AI video and thought, okay, that's cool, and 2 seconds later it disappears from your head? Yeah? Same. So today we're gonna do the opposite. Today I'm gonna generate cinematic AI video using Higgsfield, step by step, and I'll show you the workflow that actually makes sense for creators. Not here's 27 tools that I use or 9 subscriptions type of workflow. More like pick model, generate a shot, generate a second shot, quick edit, and you have a content. And the best part, Higgsfield isn't just one model. It's like a creator playground with a bunch of top models inside. So if you're tired of AI of the week chaos, this is gonna feel like a relief. And if you're new to AI video, perfect, because I'm going to do it as simple as possible. Let's make it. What is Higgsfield? So Higgsfield is a basically creator-friendly platform where you can generate AI videos in one place, and it gives you a full access to a bunch of different AI models like Kling 2.6, Van 2.5, Sora or Vio, and also they have their new workflow Cinema Studio. If you can describe a shot, you can make something that looks it just got out of the movie. And I don't mean a movie like a stickman running. I mean the actual camera language, like mood, lighting, movement, and consistency. And yes, I'm going to show you everything on Higgsfield, so you can basically just copy paste it. Okay, now let's decide what we're making today. So here's the plan. We're going to make a mini cinematic sequence. Something simple but powerful, like a lo-fi study video. Rainy window, warm desk lamp, focus student, and all of that. Then we'll make the second shot to match it, and we'll do a quick edit so it becomes a usable content, because that's the point. People don't need one cool AI clip, they need a repeatable workflow that they can do every day without losing their mind. Let's go. Alright, so in Higgsfield you see different tools and models. Here's how I think about it. If you want a cinematic control and a clean workflow, Cinema Studio is a move. If you want a video with audio baked in or more complete output, use Kling 2.6 audio. If you want something more like internet native, bold, faster, experiments, and 2.5 can be fun. Today I'm going to use Cinema Studio to generate a first strong frame, then turn it into a shot. Then I'll use a Kling or Van for different shots. That way you'll see how it works across models, without learning 10 different websites. And yes, I'm keeping it simple. We're going to match 2 shots that match. This one is already enough for short or reel. Now Cinema Studio is built around concept that most people skip. A film shot starts with a tensional frame. Most AI videos fail because they start with a chaos. They prompt like this: epic, cinematic, hyper-realistic, amazing, insane, perfect, masterpiece 8K, and they wonder why it looks like a dream you had after eating a pizza at 2 AM. So instead, we do it like a filmmaker. We decide location, mood, lighting, subject, and a camera vibe. We're making a lo-fi study video. So here's the first prompt. Now I'm going to generate that, and when you get outputs, here's the rule. Don't ask is it perfect, ask is it usable, because perfection is a trap. And if you watch my paradox video, this is exactly what I mean. Now if you see a frame you like, pick that one. This is your start frame. It's basically your anchor. If your anchor looks good, your video has a chance to look good. If anchor is weird, your whole video is weird. Now we're going to the second part, turning that image into a motion. Okay, image to video is where things usually fall apart. Because people want movement, but they ask for movement like a toddler. Make it epic, make it crazy, make the camera spin, make lightning, make subject jump. And then the model is like, bro, here's the demon. So here's how you get a cinematic motion. You choose a simple camera move. Slow push in, subtle handheld, gentle pan, or slight orbit, and you keep the subject stable. So here's the mind motion prompt that I will use. And generate that. Now when you watch it, watch for melting hands. No face drifting. No random object teleporting. If it looks stable, beautiful. If it is weird, regenerate with a calmer motion. This is the secret. Cinematic AI video is calm, not chaotic. Cool, now we have shot 1. Let's make shot 2. Now here's a part where most creators lose consistency. They make one nice shot, and the second shot looks like it's totally from a different dimension. So we're going to match the style we use. Same mood words, same lighting style, same lens vibe, and same environment. Let's do a close-up detail shot. So here's the prompt. Generate that frame, pick the best one. Convert to video with a gentle move, and generate it. Now we have two shots that matches. Already you can make a loop for a reels or story. But I want to show you one more model that makes Higgsfield valuable. So let's generate one shot with a Kling 2.6. Alright, this is the fun part. A lot of AI clips look dead because they're silent and sterile. Kling 2.6 is designed to generate visuals with synced audios. So let's prompt a simple ambience layer. Now generated. Now if you get something good, perfect. If it is slightly off, you can still use it for B-roll, because guess what, won't notice the small imperfections when the video is fast-paced and have a good edit. Editing hides sins. It's basically a confession for creators. Cool, now we have shot 1 main room and subject, shot 2 typing, close-up, and shot 3 ambience and rain. That's enough for a mini sequence. Now we do the quick edit. So I'm using the CapCut for this. So just put all the videos inside. If you want to edit this, you can. But I'm just going to connect them all. And that's it. I'll just export. So now let's talk. How to turn this into a real content. Here's the system I recommend. Make one scene pack per week. A scene pack is 3 to 5 matching shots, same vibe, one music track, 2 caption styles. Then you can post variation daily, lock-in version, study with me version, no excuses version, night grind version. The goal is not to reinvent wheel every day. The goal is to make a small library that you can use daily, because consistency beats creativity most days. Creativity is great, but consistency pays your bills. So yeah, that's the workflow. Higgsfield gives you multiple top AI video models in one platform, and Cinema Studio makes it easier to think like a real filmmaker, not like a prompt goblin. If you want to try this website, I'll put it in the description. And if you want more videos like this, follow me, because I'm posting every day and I'm testing everything in public.